I have.
That's thick. It's quality vinyl though. She's thick.
Scotty thick. To where? The edge of the windshield?
Yeah. Yeah, but you're way up there. I went down here. That's the only issue.
To be honest with you, if it wasn't that dirty, dude, there are sprays out there that have like a water wash. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Turboing quick.
Looking good, looking good.
Don't look at all the bubbles.
Don't mess it up.
Oh, it's lifting on the top.
Fine.
Roll it out, bro. What size are these?
19 by 9.5. Tires are 265/30.
Ohana for the win. Those look dope.
Yeah,
Those are gonna look really good.
really excited.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Cody. I do some photos and videos here at Custom Offsets for both Custom Offsets and Fitment Inc. What we got today is my brand new depot headlights going on my 04 350Z. So as you can see right there, all blacked out. Nice big projector. I'm eventually going to go with the Demon Eye as well. What's on my car right now is the same exact setup, except it's got the chrome finish, and I have a black 350Z, so I wanted something with a little bit more of a clean look. As you see when I flip it over, it's pretty much plug and play. I have to screw the ballast onto the bottom here, but there's already ballast on my other ones, and then it's pretty much plug and play. And then you plug your I got 8K HIDs that are gonna plug right in there.
What do we got? What do we got here? What do we? You're taking way too long.
Peel it. Peel that shit
Well, the
off.
last
Let me
guy,
help, let me
do
help.
you see what my headlights look like? He looked like he ran over a f***ing barbed wire fence.
You can't swear in a vlog, okay? It's a family.
Well, I'll cut that.
That looks dope.
And you're gonna put Demon Eyes in the projector.
Mm-hmm.
They're dope.
So that hold your HIDs then?
Unbox them. Let's check them out.
I remember the days.
What color temp are these?
8K.
8.
I should have went with 6, but I think 8K.
There you go.
is fine.
8K is more of a bluish shoe.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are gonna look dope.
I like the black housing.
So we're gonna cruise outside here and check out Cody's whip. Check out his old headlights and how the new ones are gonna look.
It should look really good. It should match all the black.
So he's rocking some pretty concave gangster JNCs. He's got the chrome right now, so yeah, the black will look way better.
As you can tell, the previous owner did something and scratched the hell out of it. And then the seal was all bad and there got a bunch of moisture in there. So instead of dropping a ton of money, 100, 120 bucks on the bulbs, I figured you might as well, upgrade. I was planning on upgrading anyway. It's one of those things where headlights and taillights will just bring it out in your car. Anything aftermarket, even all those small pieces, I've noticed have made your car really pop. So why not spend the extra couple $100 and get some really, really nice headlights and really change how your car looks right before car season.
Yeah, hold them up, let's see. That'll look way better. All murdered out. Oh yeah, dude. Night and day. Good morning. You guys want to take a look at my air kit? Let's check it out. So I'm like super bad at secrets. I was gonna wait to do like an unveil, whatever. I'll just show you guys what I'm working on. So I got my tank back from powder, and I think it was last week's episode or 2 weeks ago, I took it over to powder, so I got it back. The color is bronze chrome. It turned out absolutely amazing. I love it. And this is actually gonna be the color of my wheels. So my Radiate R8 S5s will be this exact finish. Killer looking finish, turned out great. So I got the 4-gallon Airlift end port tank, and then these are the AccuAir Exo mount brackets. Now I'll pop a clip in above here, you'll have to see. Now call it ghetto or call me crafty, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna call it unique. So these brackets are actually a little bit too big. They're for a 5-gallon seamless tank, but ever since I saw these Exo mount brackets, I was like obsessed with the fact that I wanted these on my tank. So I took some rubber gasket, some 3M tape, and just fabricated, well, I would say probably about a 3/4 of an inch little kind of barrier here that goes on the inside of the ring. That way it actually clamps on properly, because I had a massive gap, and I think I have a clip of that I'll show you guys, but turned out pretty good. Everything's sturdy. So then my matte black 444Cs will mount on here. I'll plug those guys in, so I'm super excited about that. Now the other thing I'm doing is, this is pretty cool. I'm all about doing something unique, something different. So this little thing here is a pedestal mount. I got this from Winter Fabrication, and these guys are out of South Carolina. I was just kind of looking for some sort of cool, unique mount. So what this is gonna do is mount my Airlift manifold at a 45-degree angle. Pretty cool looking. And this actually comes in, it's raw, so just raw stainless, and then I got it powder coated, had one of my buddies weld everything together. So pretty cool little project. All in all, wasn't too much, but it's pretty neat that there is somebody out there that's making these kind of cool mounts. And this dude also makes, I think there's two different, there's like a 45-degree and then like another different angle to do your compressor. So pretty neat, but I didn't want to leave it raw, so I got it powder coated. My car is white, so I thought it might be kind of cool, just something different. So essentially this is what my kit will look like. I'll mount that right in the middle. So pretty rowdy looking, and I wanted to do something different with the hardware. So instead of just the standard bolts, I found these on Downstar's website. These guys are out of California, and they make these really badass spiked nuts that you can buy. So I went out, got some cap screws, 5/16, and then these guys are gonna go through here, and then I will have a spiked hardware holding in my manifold. Only problem is these are a little bit too small, so I have to drill them out, make them a little bit bigger. So I'll work on that, and then I'll keep you guys in check with the update on all this stuff, and we'll check it out next week.